Have you guys noticed that in my previous videos and this particular video, for example, it completely fills up your smartphone and you don't have to manually zoom it in. So you get this absolutely best viewing experience. Now, I have always had struggles finding the best resolution for YouTube. I have tried almost all resolutions on this particular channel, and as I was browsing through my YouTube analytics, I found that most of my viewers use smartphone to view my videos. So I want to create absolute best viewing experience on a smartphone. Now let me show you how you can convert your video to completely fill up your smartphone using Davinci Resolve, but the principle remains the same on all editing platforms. Go to the project settings, and here you may find the resolution to be a default 3840 into 2160. This is the standard 4K resolution. We are not going to change the 3840, but we are going to change this particular number right here, and we have to change it to 1772. And then come to image scaling and select scale full frame with crop. So once you do this, you don't get that unusual crop on the side when you change the resolution. Now by changing this resolution, it would no way affect the viewing experience on a TV. On a TV, you get this nice natural cinematic bars on top and bottom, so you don't have to add that in post as well. Now I hope this video helped you in some way. Now if you guys have a channel and if you go to YouTube analytics, and you can see the viewing device used by your audience. So in my case, most of them were watching my content on a smartphone, so which is why this sort of resolution works absolutely best for smartphones. Also, it's gonna look absolutely wide and cinematic on your TV as well. For those who don't know, I'm Fenzir. I do travel, tech, and filmmaking on this channel. So if you're into that sort of stuff, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.